Welcome to today's video. So in this video we are looking at affiliate marketing without a website, and I'm going to share with you a number of free tools and resources, and basically we'll break down this whole method from start to finish, because look, without a doubt, if you have a spare hour a day, you can start making money online and from home with affiliate marketing. And I'm also going to drop a link down below to this article over here for you. This will cover off a lot of what we're going to be looking at in today's video, but with screenshots and in more depth, because there's genuinely so many different ways you can do this. And inside of this article over here, you'll see there's screenshots in here, examples, there's links out to free resources, and lots more. But look, affiliate marketing isn't like what it was. It's not even like it was 2 years ago or 5 years ago. It's always changing. Now, more recently, platforms like TikTok, platforms like Instagram, even Pinterest and Quora to a degree, are allowing you to start making some pretty decent money with affiliate marketing without too much effort. Now, in terms of affiliate marketing, you can earn money in a number of ways. You can partner up with brands and companies, like major companies like Amazon, eBay, Etsy, Walmart, Target, and many more. The issue you have partnering up with companies like that is, as you can see over on the screen here, that the reward for your effort of spending a lot of time is relatively on the low side. Because if you do not know, over on platforms like Amazon, they pay you 1 to 10%. It can go as high as 12%, but from memory, I think that's over in like the rare coin category and a couple of other things. But realistically, you're recommending or sharing a product over onto Amazon and you're earning 4% realistically, if you're lucky. Now, there are other options available for you when it comes to affiliate marketing without a website. You can sign up to individual companies and brands like this. You can also use networks. Now, I'll give you an example of this. So this one over here is called Share a Sale, and again, this is just an example. There's many more of these companies available. But over on a platform like this is known as a network. Now, on a network, you can see here, there's over 21,000 merchants who are signed up to Share a Sale. So you can come along and sign up to a network like this, and then you can actually start getting affiliate links for companies like this here, Minted, Honey, Deluxe. There's many more on here. You can see we have got Groupon, Etsy, and as you see over here, there's thousands more inside of here. So, you can sign up to companies like these. You also have other networks in specific categories or topics. So an example of that would be one like Warrior Plus maybe. So I'll show you this really quickly. So you can come over onto a platform like this, depending on the category or niche you're into. Now, over on this platform here, you can find, predominantly it's in the make money online scene. So you can find products for affiliate marketing, YouTube, different softwares, and lots more. And the cool thing is, using platforms like this one over here, like Warrior Plus, instead of comparing it to, like, say, Amazon as an example, you can actually earn on this platform, you can earn up to 40% of products. Believe it or not, some products that you will start promoting over here, they will pay you up to 100% of the product that you buy. So you can see here today I've earned 0. But, I'm sure that'll change as the day goes on. You can see yesterday we earned $17, and that's just updated, actually. So you can actually, let me just refresh that, see if that's got a glitch in it for some reason. So no, it's changed. So far today I've earned $586. Yesterday was $17. In the last 7 days we're at $3,000, and in the last 30 days we've earned $4,500. Okay, so it's pretty good. So that's one example for you. You can also sign up to different softwares and different companies whereby you recommend and share them, and you can earn what is known as a recurring commission. So again, I'll share another example of this with you. I normally share this one because it's pretty straightforward. So if I come, let me go back into this. So Jasper affiliate sign in. Really quickly, I'll show you this. Why is that not doing this? Let me go up here. Jasper affiliate. Sign in. I thought I actually had this bookmarked. So here we've got affiliate partner program. Now what happens here is this is a piece of software, okay? Now I use this myself, so I recommend it and share it to people who want to make money online, or use this for YouTube videos, or use this for creating content over in the form of, say, websites, blogs, niche websites, and other things. And what happens here is I can give out my own link. And if I was to give it to you watching, for example, you would get 10,000 credits. And that basically means you can use those credits completely for free inside of here. Now you can see, if I scroll down here, look, we make it worth your while. So if I sent my link over to you and you clicked on that link, you can see here, I would earn 30% recurring monthly income for life. So that wouldn't cost you any more money. It just means for me sending the traffic to this website over here, they will pay me 30% of how much you pay every single month. So it's pretty cool. And now let me log in. I'll show you this really quickly. So let me go to log in. Now again, over on this website over here, you can see I've currently got $242 in unpaid earnings. And look, this is just one website. I am a member of many affiliate networks and platforms, okay? So that's some different platforms and different things that you can use, okay? Now in terms of this, you decide on a category or a niche. Once you've decided on that, you get your affiliate link, which is pretty straightforward to say the least. And once we have that, we then start creating content. Now over here in this article here, I have shared so many different examples of this, and I'll give you an example now. One really straightforward and simple method which requires no website, it requires no skills, it will just take a little bit of time and effort, okay? Now I'll show you this one, and this is just on one platform. For this I'll show you Instagram, instagram.com. I'll go over here, and I've shared this method in the past, but it works. It's simple. So we're just going to type woodworking plans, okay, and let's start to see what comes up. So you can see here, look, we've already got a lot of accounts doing this, and I know for a fact pretty much all of these will be doing this method. So yeah, so let's go and I'll show you this now. So I'm just going to go into the first one, okay. I'm going to click on Woodworking Plans USA. Let's have a look at the account. So we can see they've posted 829 posts. They've got 58,000 followers. And let's just scroll down here. So we can see, look, they're sharing images of woodwork and random women in the pictures as well, which is kind of irrelevant, but I'm guessing they're doing that, to try and get more people looking at this. But essentially, all of these images here and videos, a lot of these will be royalty-free images that you can find online from stock footage websites and many. I mean, blimey, they're really going to town on here with the women, aren't they? But a lot of them are these ones. I mean, look at this, 19,000 views on a video. Come down here, this one and this one. But if we scroll up here, we will see they have a link, okay? So no website. We're going to scroll up here. They've got this one here, Beacons AI. So I'm going to click on there. Where is that going to open up? I have no doubt it's going to be taking me over to Ted's Woodworking Plans, which is a product over on ClickBank. So we can see here, look, get 16,000 amazing woodworking plans. Click here. Okay, I'll click on here. And we are going to, I know it's a product. Look, let me click on here. And we can see up here, look, tedswoodworking.com. This is a product that you can find over on ClickBank. So in this example, this person, the owner of this Instagram account over on here, they are not having a website. All they're doing is they're finding royalty-free images online, or maybe just stealing them, looking at all of these different pictures of different ladies, and they're sharing it, and they've got a link here to a product over on ClickBank. Okay, and again, that was just one example. Let's just have a look at this one here. Woodworking lovers, what's that? Wood.working club, woodworking plans. Let's just have a quick look at this one here, because I can guarantee it'll be the same one. Look, 5,000 followers, 95 posts. Come down here, look. Standard, literally these images here, these are all from royalty-free images, royalty-free website. Scroll up here, let's see where this one's sending us. Is that opened? It's opening up. Instagram. Where's it sending us to? Woodworking Plans. Okay, so this one here, again, they don't have a website. They're sending us over to, this is a Google Doc that they're sending us over to, but I already know this product here is the ClickBank product. Scroll further down the page here. We've got all this information. Blimey. They've put a lot in here, haven't they? Basically, looking at this, they've copied the sales page and put it into a Google Doc and we can see over here, look, $37. Look, click here. So if I click on here, it's sending me over to the product over on ClickBank. You can see over here. Go away, Norton. Look, Ted's Woodworking. So this is the method. No website needed. And how are they finding, these images over on Instagram? Really simply, they're going online and they're just typing in royalty-free images. And it's the same with videos as well. You'll find hundreds of these websites. We've got all of the usual candidates. We've got Unsplash, Pexels, Pixabay, and many more. All you're doing here is you're going into the website and you're typing in the keyword. So we'll just type in woodworking. And we can see down here, look, all of these, look, free HD download. I can download this, any of these basically. You can download them and you can upload them onto Instagram. That is one method for you. Another thing you could do is you could actually go ahead and you could use some of these videos that you get on here absolutely for free, and you could upload them onto TikTok, because I know somebody, let's have a look. Let's go to tiktok.com. And again, you do not need a website for this. All we are doing is creating content in a short format. So if I come over here, we'll type in woodworking plans really quick. And we've got top videos, top accounts, and look, let's just click accounts. And we're going to scroll down and look, 4,000 followers, 5,000 followers, 7,000 followers. Woodwork, they're not hiding this. So if I click on here, look, get thousands of woodworking plans. Learn woodworking with this. Look on here, look, get access to this. So let's just go into any of these videos. Let's go into Woodworking America. I mean, blimey, 24,000 likes on the videos. And look, it's just stock videos that they're uploading onto TikTok. It's crazy, isn't it? Absolutely crazy. And then they're linking over to the product over on ClickBank. Now, there's many more of these. I'll share another example. So we'll go with dog training. Oh no, sorry, it's not dog training. It was brain training. Brain training for dogs. And again, let's just click on accounts. And look, brain training for dogs. A link here too. ClickBank, a ClickBank product. Come down here, look, again, ClickBank product, ClickBank product, They're all ClickBank products. But look, this is just a couple of examples for you whereby you can make money with affiliate marketing without a website. You can create images and videos on Instagram. You can do this in the form of YouTube Shorts. You can go over onto TikTok like we've just looked at here. You can also do things like a Facebook group. And again, I've got an article for that, by the way. If you go over here to my website and click on affiliate marketing, I've done a full article about affiliate marketing, not Instagram, it was affiliate marketing with a Facebook group, and a link out to different actual groups over on Facebook who are doing this exact same method. And all they're doing there is they've signed up to the Amazon Associates program, they're sharing links inside of their own Facebook group, and they're earning money. Here's a link, and if you want to check it out, come down here, click on check out the group, it will take you over to the group. But look, this is, these are a couple of methods that you can use to make money without using a website. Now, if you want some free resources and free tools to learn more about affiliate marketing, how to, set all this up and make money, you can come up here and click on courses. And if you scroll down, there's a couple of free courses available on here. If I scroll down here, I've got a free affiliate marketing course. You can see it is this one over here. There's also another free course, which is this one down here. This is called the Affiliate Bootcamp. This is a lot more in-depth than my free course. You can see here, it's 100 days. So every day you get a video about affiliate marketing. And basically it shows you how to do this whole concept, for free. And it walks through everything. How to set everything up, how you should be, setting up an email autoresponder, and lots more. And then we've got other free courses available on this page over here. But look, that's today's video. That is how you can make money with affiliate marketing without a website. And even if you did go down the route of a website, you can get that for free, and you can get an autoresponder for free. I definitely recommend you to have a look at affiliate marketing, whether it is, woodworking, brain training for dogs, whatever really. It's a great method for making money online, and there's no cap to how much you can earn. So look, I will put links to all of these articles that I have mentioned down below for you. If you've got any questions, let me know. But as always, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.